Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to send Canva design via email. Have you ever found yourself creating a stunning design on Canva and then wondering how to share it seamlessly through email? Whether you're crafting an invitation, a vivid poster, or any other creative masterpiece, sending your design via email can seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly share your incredible creations with just a few simple clicks. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that you are logged into your Canva account and have the design you wish to share open on your screen. Now, if you glance towards the top right corner, you will see a button labeled Share. This is your gateway to sending your design via email. Go ahead and click on that Share button. This action will open up a variety of options for sharing, including email, allowing you to choose the best way to share your work. Once you click on Share, a menu will appear displaying different options. Be on the lookout for an option labeled See All. This is where Canva consolidates all the sharing methods. By selecting See All, you will be able to explore the entire range of options available to you. So, click on See All to move forward with the process. After selecting See All, you will see an expanded list of options. Among these, you will find the option labeled Email. This is the method we will use to send your design directly into someone else's email inbox. Clicking on Email is a significant step, so carefully move your cursor to this option and give it a click. This action will open a new window or dialog box tailored specifically for emailing your design. In this email dialog box, you'll notice several fields that you can fill out to personalize your email. The first and most important step is to type in the recipient's email address. Be sure to enter the correct email address to ensure your design reaches the intended person. As you type, Canva might offer suggestions based on previous email addresses you've used, which can make the process quicker and more efficient. Once you've entered the recipient's email address, consider including a brief message or note along with your design. While this step isn't necessary, adding a personal touch can significantly enhance the recipient's experience and provide context for your design. When you're satisfied with your message and ready to send your beautifully crafted design, look for the Send button. It's often highlighted, making it easy to find. Click on Send, and your design will travel through cyberspace to arrive in your recipient's email inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully sent your Canva design via email. This method is perfect for sharing various projects, whether they are invitations, posters, or any other creative masterpiece, or any other creative work you've put together on Canva, with colleagues, friends, or clients. Remember, sharing your designs is a fantastic way to collaborate and gather feedback, so don't hesitate to use this feature whenever you need to share your work. That's it for this tutorial on how to send Canva design via email. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.